Good morning, grade 7Es. Welcome. We are going to do geography for term 1, module 1, map skills. Unit 1 is about local maps and street maps. The disclaimer. The work to be done during this PowerPoint and video presentation covers the work for term 1. Social Science Grade 7, proudly brought to you by Ma'am Rosie Miller. Right, Unit 1, Local Maps and Street Maps. It's on page 2 in your textbook. You're welcome to use your textbook to help you if you want to. Street maps show the names of towns, suburbs, streets and how they are connected. Important places such as hospitals, churches and parks are indicated by symbols. A local map is a map of a town, suburb or a small town. Symbols used on a local or street map, also on page 2. Rivers are indicated in blue and the name. Vegetation such as trees and farming is green. Red cross represents a hospital. Letters from an institution or building such as S is for school, PO for post office. The next slide is going to show you the different symbols that we get and which we can use. In black, we'll have the road over a bridge, a power line, railway lines or buildings. They will be in black. The church will also be in black, but it's going to have the K. Hospital is going to have the H. Police station, PS. Post office, PO. School, the S. Then in blue, we're going to have our rivers with the name of the river. In green, we have farming, trees and recreational areas. Index on page 3 in your textbook. An index determines the location of an area on a street guide, that is a book of local maps of a specific region. A page number and grid reference appears next to the street name to help find the street. Use of a grid reference on page 4. A grid consists of horizontal and vertical lines forming blocks of the same size. The rows are marked by letters and columns by numbers. Example. Here is a slide for you to see. If you go look at B2, you're going to see you get Westerdale. So it's just to show you and it will help you to choose or look for the area you're looking for. Then you must look at the A, B, C, D, E and the 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to look at B, you're going to say Commondale is in block B3 and that is how a grid reference works. Using a street map to find places and describe a route. This you'll find on page 5 in our textbooks. The point where streets intersect is called an intersection and you have to turn right, left or drive straight. Landmarks are places such as the hospital, the town hall or a museum. Here's a map, a street map, and it's showing you the intersection. That little black block is an intersection, just for you to know that is where all the roads meet. Here's a virtual schooling 1 to 8 points to prepare yourself for the day and get ready to do your work on YouTube. Attached is VTA Schools links. Any inquiries or problems that you have, or you want to find out anything about your school or work, you are welcome to use YouTube, Facebook, our school website, telephone numbers or our email address. Enjoy, be safe and we'll speak to you again tomorrow.